Tired of your games lagging? Or your videos rendering at the speed of a snail? It's time to upgrade your graphics card. Here's how to do it in 60 seconds. Before buying, make sure your new GPU fits your PC. Check the size, power supply, and PCIe slot. Go to Device Manager, find your GPU, and uninstall the old drivers. This prevents conflicts. Turn off your PC, unplug it, open the case, and carefully remove the old card. Snap in the new one securely. Some GPUs need extra power. Plug in the PCIe cables, close the case, and power up. Head to NVIDIA or AMD's website, download the latest drivers, and restart. Boom! Ultra settings unlocked. Enjoy buttery smooth FPS and next-level graphics. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.